Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the source matches the panel. Set your computer output to the monitor's native resolution and 1:1 pixel mapping so the GPU sends exact pixels. Once done, use the native cable, DisplayPort, or HDMI, because adapters can add scaling. Next, open the monitor OSD and head straight to image or scaling options. You'll see aspect, underscan/overscan, and horizontal/vertical position. Make the first tiny shifts now. Those initial changes reveal whether you need software or hardware correction. Now focus on correcting the borders precisely. You want both monitor and GPU scaling to agree. Disable overscan and choose 1:1 or full pixel mapping in the graphics driver, then do the same in the monitor OSD. Once matched, use the monitor's horizontal and vertical position controls to nudge the image so black edges disappear. Move in single increments and recheck corners. If the image still crops, revisit resolution and refresh rate. Incorrect combos can trigger automatic scaling, so make sure all settings reflect the native panel. Finish by verifying across content and inputs. Load a full screen test image and inspect all 4 edges. If black bars persist, switch sources to rule out the player or app. Make a final OSD factory reset if settings look inconsistent, then reapply the confirmed 1:1 scaling and position tweaks. This clears hidden overrides. If things still go wrong, swap the cable or update GPU drivers and monitor firmware. Often a defective cable or old driver causes stubborn overscan. That single troubleshooting step fixes most remaining cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.